In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome for mobile devices. Incognito mode lets you browse the internet without saving your activity. However, while your browsing history is not saved, some information may still be stored temporarily. If you want to ensure that everything is cleared, follow these easy steps. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser on your phone. Then close all incognito tabs that you have opened. This step is important because you need to be out of incognito mode before you can clear any related data. Next, tap on the URL bar at the top of the screen. Then type in this special command, chrome/netinternals/-dns. Once you're there, look for the DNS option and tap on it. DNS stands for Domain Name System, which helps your device find website addresses. To clear any saved information from websites you visited in incognito mode, simply tap Clear Host Cache. After you've cleared the host cache, close the Google Chrome browser completely, then reopen it again. By doing this, you should have successfully deleted any trace of your incognito history. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.